rescue on the ice. Here's a look at some of the stories making headlines across the U.S.
We start with body cam video showing the moment a New Jersey police officer sprints toward a lake after 3 kids fall right through the ice. Officers used a rope to pull 2 girls to safety. A boy who was with them had managed to get himself out before officers arrived. With all 3 kids safely back on land, West Hampton firefighters went into the icy waters to retrieve the kids' backpacks and also their purses.
Dangerous weather conditions in Colorado causing some serious damage. Take a look at this roof. It was blown off by those winds. There is a triple threat of hurricane-force winds, record heat, and single-digit relative humidity, and it's causing red flag warnings for high fire danger.
And a familiar troublemaker causing some mischief around North Texas, and it didn't take long for deputies to catch up with him. Investigators say they had reports that he was stealing candy canes and was even in possession of 2 presents when he was found. He was transported to the Gray County Jail and booked on charges including theft of Christmas gifts, resisting arrest, assault of a peace officer, the improper use of slang, whatever that is, and being a Grinch.